So this is the sprocket I got from KTM. This is a Duke 250 sprocket. If you can see very closely, it says 14Z, which means 14 teeth. So I'm gonna put this, and I'm also gonna rip this apart. So I've come to the local mechanic shop. Once this thing comes out, I shall let you know. So just stay tuned.
हाँ वाइट वाला अलग
This is the sprocket. So this is the new sprocket 14. This is the 15 one. You can see the size difference. Let's go to this one. How the new sprocket would look like. This is the 14 teeth. You can see 14 over here. Stand over. So this is the 390 sprocket, which is 45 teeth, and this is 250 sprocket, which is 46. So let's go and install this.
ಅದು ಸೂಪರ್ ಬೈಕೆಲ್ಲ ಓಡಿಸ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ ನಿಲ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ ತೂಕಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಗಾಡಿ. ಅದು ಪ್ಯಾಡೋಕಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ ನಿಲ್ಸ್ಬೇಕು.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is Rakshit here. How are you doing? Ellaru hegidira? Like I said, the part 2 is going to be purely about this sprocket installation. This will have two things, right? If you know very well, everyone is changing the 15 teeth sprocket to 14 teeth, getting the KTM 250 Duke sprocket and them changing it. I did try that piece first for about 30 minutes or maybe a day or two. I tested it out. It had improved to an extent, but not to greater extent as well, right? So then what I was researching is I was talking to one of my good friends. I think they were suggesting do one down in front and one up in the back, which means the stock sprocket comes with 15 and 45. What I'm going to do in my motorcycle is I'm going to do the 14 and then I'm going to do 46 in the back, right? So that is a combination, which means I'm going one down in the front and one up in the back. So that is the plan, and both the sprockets are from KTM itself. So I actually took it out, and the bottom end has been absolutely way better. Right, so that is what something I've done, at least from the first looks of it. I'm going to do the detailed video very soon as well, so please stay tuned for that. And I hope you enjoyed this content of installation of the sprocket as well. Front sprocket was about 250, rear sprocket was about 750. So I did that, but make sure after you do these things, make sure the entire chain is clean and then lube it again, because there's a lot of dust that will be accumulated in front, which you might feel a little bit of vibrations and lag in the chain, but it is not actually that. Make sure you clean the chain, remove the front part and clean it even in the front sprocket piece, so that the entire piece is clean, and then lube it with a wax rather than lubing it with a oil, because again it might develop a lot of dust as well, right? You also have another option wherein you can actually get an roll-on, ROLON. This is a brand where you can actually get the entire sprocket kit for Duke 250, and it's going to be a straight fit as well. But just make sure the links are 115 or 116 plus. That is important. Stock things also works, but if you use the roll-on one, the roll-on ones are much better. And get the gold-plated or the brass-plated one. So the moment you have a less weight reduction, you'll have a much more friction, and you're going to have that nice feel of moving things, right? So it's working for me. I'm going to do a very detailed video about the test of these things as well, taking it on highway, doing it for longer time. Do stay tuned for that. And in case if you have any follow-up questions around the installation and everything, please don't hesitate to ask me in the comment section. I'll be able to reply that. But yeah, until then, I'm loving it. It just worked for me in just 1,000 rupees. One more upgrade is coming very soon as well. I'm going to do it slightly later because I need to get used to this modification first, then I'm going to go for that as well. Until then, thank you so much for taking your time and watching this video. I hope this is going to be much more helpful for all my fellow ADV 390 folks who are actually really bothered about the Adventure 390 bottom end piece, and it just, you might have to use your brains. And another thing which struck me was every rider has their own way of doing it. This is working for me. Some people this might not work, so I would recommend you to spend more time, understand the motorcycle, and then go about solving this. But for me, it is working well and good. And I made a lot of research about it. When I have to post it on internet, it has to be right? So that is what to give you context about, folks. So like I said, we'll see you in another video on the content, on the travel story. Thank you so much once again for taking your time and watching this video. Please do subscribe, and please do share if you like my content, and especially this upgrade, please share it in the community as well. It's gonna help the other folks, not just in terms of my growth. It's just that benefited for much people rather than an individual, right? That's the whole purpose of building this video. So thank you so much, folks. Take care once again. Bye.